Nice little keyboard. Actually, the instructions come on a QR code. Actually, take the ebook off of the QR code or the website when you hit enter to go to the actual website, so you can get to the instructions. But the instructions are actually on the Amazon page as well. From what I found, just keep hitting the insert to change the keys or whatever you needed to do. Basically, this range of area here will do everything. The page down changes the Sidelight, as you can see. I like the light blue because that's kind of my favorite color. That one. And then the function delete. And the pause. Just basically cycles through a few colors. And all in all, it's actually a good, it's a good little keyboard. It's very clicky, I will say. I did take the screws out of the wrist rest. Because it does come with it where you can actually fold it and put it up underneath. I don't like that function because I actually have a tray that I keep my keyboards on. I have this same tray at my actual office, but this tray works for any size keyboard, and I like it so I can be able to see the keys a little bit better. And I didn't like the folding the wrist flat, so I didn't use that. But I did take the mini screws. These are mini screws, but they have like a mini screw, and I did just screw them back into the base, just so dirt and dust wouldn't get into those little holes. But other than that, the keyboard, you know, works pretty well. I've had it for 2 days now, and I kind of like what it, you know, I like the effects of it. So, good stuff. I definitely recommend this keyboard. If you want a quiet one, this is not the one for you. And yeah, good stuff to have. Nice little keyboard. I didn't have any issues, no cracked keys. Came perfectly packaged. So sorry I didn't unbox for you, but this was the packaging mine came in. And a little plastic bag, and then a tool as well. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope this guys helps with your decision or choice. But it's a cute little keyboard to have, you know, just for everyday use or work from home. I'm a day trader, so that's what I use it for. Thanks, guys. Bye.
So this has to be one of the coolest keyboards I think I've ever had. I just got it today. It is an LED panel built into the keyboard. It's got really old-fashioned styled. See if I can turn a light on so you can see. You can see the old-fashioned style keys on here, but they've incorporated these LED light systems in there. Let me see if I can put this down and show you some of the effects you can do on this thing here. So here we go. Okay, so I can just go here to the function button and I can just change these patterns however I want them to do. I can have it scrolling. Pretty cool looking, huh? And I can have it just kind of, let's see if I can do it here. Going in a circle, you can see the colors are just going around in the circle. You can make it brighter or dimmer if you want. Here's another pattern here. Let's see what this one is. Let's see if I can get it to do a different one here. I think you can also do a steady if you want just steady lights. Oh, wrong one, no wonder. Huh, there we go. You can just do different colors. You can see here, just add all the colors you want. These side lights, they also can be changed as well. So I can come over here and you can see here I'm changing the LEDs on the side of the thing. I turn it off. I can have it pulsate different colors. So there's one on the other side as well. God, it's probably one of the wildest keyboards I ever had. I like it. It's kind of cool, actually. So, Mike Truesdale, I think you're gonna have to get one of these, buddy. You're a little behind now. I'm gonna have to send you the link on Amazon. Let's see here. Oh, wrong. Gotta hit the function key. There we go. Let's see if I can get it to go across on that. Here we go. You get it going faster too, so it's pretty neat. You can just change it to just about anything. It's got a lot of cool shortcuts and everything, but yeah, I kind of like it. It's different. Pretty neat looking keyboard. So just wanted to share that, and as you can see, it looks like I'm a gamer. What the funny thing is, I don't play games. I don't play any video games, but people come to my apartment, they automatically think I have a gaming setup, which I do not. But pretty neat looking keyboard though. I like this one though. All right, y'all have a good one.
Alright, y'all, this keyboard, amazing. I probably spent $70 on this thing, and let me tell you, I'm not disappointed at all. Number one, I was looking for a typewriter keyboard. Look at the keys on this. So cool. They're all mechanical. They sound awesome. Isn't that just music to your ears? It is really loud though. So if you don't want a keyboard that's loud, this is not the keyboard for you, and probably no typewriter keyboards are the keyboards for you. But this is just so cool. Like, they just put so much detail into this keyboard. Like, this is the side of it, and as you can see, like, there's an RGB line, like, running down the side. Like, that is quality. This thing is amazing. It changes color, but I really just like it on the classic RGB. It's got the wrist pad, which is a must-have. It's got the multimedia keys, because for some reason I can't memorize the F11, F12, so I need the plus, you know, the plus and minus for the sound. Overall, this keyboard's amazing. It's got the numbers, it's got these little things, it's got everything that you would need, and it's only $70, so I really like it. Couldn't have asked for anything better.
Okay, so y'all don't at me. But this is like the best 60 something dollars I've ever spent on Amazon. Like, literally. And then it's got this. And then this. And then this. Like, come on now. Come on now.
Sawgrass Sports Service, how can I help you? What's that? Yeah, whenever you're ready to come in, you can just come in. If the advisor's available, we'll have you meet with them.
is important work I'm doing.
Just take some time, let me try to find the words I want to say to you.